video, I will explain view concept in data dictionary. So in this video, I will explain what is the view and how many types of views, and how to create each view, and I will explain what is the purpose of each view. Okay. First of all, I will explain what is the view. Okay. View is one type of a data dictionary object. It acts like a table. It means normal database table, but it will not occupy any storage space. So that is the main difference from the database table and view. So mostly views are using for combining or gathering two or more tables. Okay, so that is the main purpose of a view. So views are classified into four types. That is a database view. First one is a database view, projection view, maintenance view, final one is a help view. Okay, coming to a database view, here we are using two or more tables. Okay, two or more tables we are using inside the database view. Inside the database view, system will use inner join technique. Okay, here reading is possible. It means we can read the data. So, but we cannot maintain the data inside the database view. Then next view is a projection view. Inside the projection view, we are using only one table. Here we can read the data and we can maintain the data. Another important use of projection view is here we can hide unwanted fields. So here we can show only relative fields. So that is the main use of a projection view. Okay. Then next view is maintain view. Inside the maintain view, it will use two or more tables only. Here creation will be possible, and addition also possible, and deletion also possible inside the maintain view. The final view is help view. Inside the help view, it will use two or more tables only. Okay. Here we can read the data, we can maintain the data. Inside the help view, it will use in outer join technique. Okay, it will use outer join technique inside the help view. So that is the brief introduction about view and types of view. I will show you how to create a database view by using two database table. Okay. First of all, I will go to SC11 transaction code to create a database view. Before creating a database view, I will show you two tables which I am using inside the database view. So table one is EMP information. Okay, click on this one, display button. Click on, see, in my information table, employee ID, employee name, employee city, employee phone number. Okay, then I will open another table which I am using inside the database view. This is my second table I am using inside the database view. Here data employee ID, PC name is previous company name, PVC name is PC means present company name, PVC means previous company name. Okay, I am using these two tables inside the database view. Okay, now I will create a one database view by using these two tables. Click on view radio button, the EMP DBV. Okay, if you understand database view, DB means database view. Click on create, click on copy, creating DB view. Here I will mention the EMP information one table, another one is the EMP company table. This is the one. You have to click on get relationship button, So relationship button, click on this, click on copy. Okay, then click on view fields tab. Here we will select which columns or which fields we are showing output of the view. Okay, click on table fields, select first table. Here I am showing first 3, employee ID, employee name. Click on copy and then click on second table. Here I am showing only company, previous company and present company. Okay, click on save button. I am saving inside the local object only. Then here we can mention extra condition, extra selection conditions. Okay, then click on maintenance tab. As I said before, inside the database view, read only possible. Okay, it will not possible read and change. Here we can see the warning, like you can only read database views with more than one table. Okay, now I will click on save again. I will activate my database view. Let me activate it. So it's got getting warning. I'll leave it that one. So it's got activated. Okay, to check this one, click on here. I will give ID is 1. Click on OK. See, first ID is 1, employee name is Dhoni, his previous company Alliance, present company Reliance. Okay, now I will show you the data of 2 tables. So this is the employee information table. I will execute this one. Okay, the first ID is Dhoni, employee name is Dhoni, city is Ranchi, phone number is this one. I'll show you Dhoni company details from the company table. Okay, now I will open company table. I will execute this one. Click on execute. You will get see employee ID 1. It means it is related to Dhoni. Okay, his present company is Alliance, his previous company is Reliance. Okay, so if you see here, okay, you can compare this way. Okay, his present company Alliance, previous company Reliance. Okay, this is the way how to create database view. Show you how to create a projection view by using database table. Okay, here I am using this table only, information table. This table only I am using inside projection view. So click on this is my projection view name. Click on create, select projection view tab, click on OK. Creating pro view means projection view. Here we need to provide our table name. This is my table name. Here we need to select which fields we are showing in output. Okay, I am showing all the fields. So here we can unselect. So here we can select which fields we are showing. Okay, so as I said before, we can hide unwanted fields. If you don't want to see employee phone number, we can uncheck this one. So this facility available in projection view. Okay, then click on maintenance status. As I said before, here in projection view, read only possible and read and change also possible. It means it will applicable for read, it will applicable for maintenance both. Okay, click on save. I will save in local object. Click on active. Okay, no. Okay, now I will execute to test this projection view. Okay, employee ID, now I will give 4. See this one. Okay, if you see fourth record from the employee information table, see fourth record, it is a Raina, is from city Punjab. This his phone number is this one. Okay, this is the way how to create a projection view. Okay.